What up? My name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today I am going to show you how to set up your Clickbank account and how to make money of it and how everything works inside of Clickbank. So a lot to discuss, let's dive in. All right, let's go. Clickbank today. So yeah, we're gonna show you everything around and how to sign up and all that kind of stuff. But first, let me tell you that right here at Deberoo, we are working at our new product called the Deberoo Suite. And the Deberoo Suite will basically be the very first all-in-one affiliate marketing platform where you will find all the tools you need, all the support you need, and the community to stay connected. And the very cool thing right now is that we are going to launch a beta test. And you could join the beta test for free. You could get all these tools for free. So make sure to sign up in the beta waiting list down below and you'll get access to the beta test and to all those cool tools that you need for your next Clickbank campaign. So let's dive in. Right here, I'm inside the Clickbank website, and Clickbank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. Clickbank is a leading global retailer with its own affiliate marketplace. We enable you to grow with unlimited scale. All right, empowering entrepreneurs in over 200 countries for over 20 years with over $4.2 billion paid. All right, become an affiliate. Tens of thousands of affiliates choose Clickbank to promote top performing products and to get paid on time every time. So that's what we are going to do. So if you don't have an account yet, click on this huge blue sign up button at the top and fill in your details, right? Just fill in your details and then your phone number. Let me think. 16383. Don't try to call me on this number because this is an old phone number. And then you put in your email address. And last but not least, you've got to create a password. All right. And when you click on continue, you will get the terms of condition and you can read it all through to see if you agree with it. Or if you're like me, you just go to the bottom and click on accept terms and conditions. And when you've done that, you basically just click on join Clickbank and congratulations, you are now a Clickbank affiliate. So I am not going to do that because I am going to log in since I already have an account, and I will show you the inside of Clickbank. So here we are in the dashboard, and right here on the sidebar we've got a couple of different options. So basically you can get all the resources you need and you can review the campaigns you've ran in the past right here, but I am going straight to the marketplace. This is it. So the marketplace of Clickbank is the place where you find all the different offers that Clickbank have available right now. So let's go through it. Right here we've got our categories, and the categories are also known as the verticals, right? So we have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers and internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting and families, politics and current events, reference, self-help, software and services, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, sports and travel. Right? So those are all the different verticals that Clickbank has offers for as of now, but we also have sub-verticals. So when we take a look at, for example, let's say education, for example. So then we have admissions, educational materials, higher education, K-12, student loans, test prep and study guides, right? So let me give you another example. Let's go to home and garden. With home and garden, we see quite some different subverticals. So you really want to focus on one of these things since they're completely different approaches. So let's take a look. We've got animal care and pets, crafts and hobbies, entertaining, gardening and horticulture, general home buying, how-to and home improvements, interior design, sewing, and weddings. Right? So those are the sub-verticals for home and garden. Now it's very important when you start your Clickbank campaign to think about, okay, where does my personal interest lie? Where does my quality lie? Where will I most likely write the best copies that I can, right? Because if you have a vertical or a sub-vertical where you don't have any interest in the sub-vertical, you don't have a whole lot of knowledge about the sub-vertical, and you just could have cared less, right? Couldn't have cared less about that subject. Then pick something else, because most likely you won't attract people with your headlines and your copies if you don't have some sort of feeling like, okay, this is interesting and I can write good copy about this. So you want to make sure that that is fine, that is good. So find a vertical, or better, find a sub-vertical where you know that you will be able to write good copy. Because if you do, your campaign will become much more successful. So, alright, let's take a look at self-help. Last but not least for these sub-verticals. So for self-help, we can go in whole different kind of sub-verticals. So the vertical is basically self-help, but we can go in a lot of different ways. Let's take a look. So abuse, dating guides. Do you see even the first two, abuse and dating guides? Those are a world apart, right? Totally different offers with totally different flows. So, all right, let's continue. Eating disorders, general, marriage and relationships, motivational and transformational, personal finance, public speaking, self-defense, self-esteem, stress management, success, survival, and time management. So these sub-verticals are far apart from each other. They're totally different. The sub-verticals of Clickbank can almost be defined as verticals since they're so far apart, right? Cool. So that's how the vertical and sub-vertical system works at Clickbank. Now, let's take a look at some offers. Alright, so I'm going to click on survival in case I want to promote a survival offer, and these are the offers. So let's go through it. Right at the top you see the title of the product, right? The Lost Ways in this case. And then you get a short description about the offer. So evergreen product that made fortunes on Clickbank and will do so for you too. Affiliates who got rich promoting it are still selling big time this well-respected, down-to-earth product with a 1.36 EPC. And EPC is the earnings per click. So it's a calculated of profit and amount of clicks, which results in a earnings per click. And then we have an affiliate page and affiliate support contact, which is Jason. And then we have some stats down here. So the initial sale or conversion is $42.11. And then we've got the recurring conversions or rebill, which is $38.43. And then we have gravity right here. So gravity, what does that mean? Gravity gets calculated by the amount of affiliates promoting this offer and the conversions that they make, how well their campaign is going. So gravity, if the gravity is extremely high, then that might indicate that there's too much competition on that specific offer, and you might want to look at something else. But if the gravity is too low, that might indicate that basically it's a shit offer and you don't want to run it because it's not going to sell, right? So take a good look at the gravity, and the more you look at it and the more you look at different offers with different amounts of gravity, the better your understanding gets of what gravity means. All right, so what we have down here is basically, so the USA, right, is the country, and some more stats down here. So this one is a mobile offer, etc., etc. But these stats, especially the country, is important, of course, because you want to know, okay, what kind of language is my ad in? But other than that, not a whole lot of critical information down here. Mostly look at these stats right here. So when we click on the title, you will get sent to the actual offer page. So this is the page where we want to send our traffic to, coming off of our lender, or if you're direct linking, coming off of the first impression, right? So this is a VSL, a video sales letter, and awesome. So right here, I'm going to shut you off. And so it's a great guy with a video talking about these plans and how to survive off of them. And then right here are the call to actions. All right. What else do we have? Yes, I want to leave. We have the affiliate page. So let's check that out. Affiliate center, new products, extremely low refund rate, and insane conversions. 75% commission on initial sales, 3 upsells with 75% commissions, receive up to $144.50 a sale, $1.36 EPC so far overall, and 1 sale for every 16 visitors on lists. New, now you have 4 videos to choose from. See which one best converts on your target. Have you already promoted the video with pemmican? Try the new wild lettuce video to skyrocket again your conversions. So the affiliate page basically provides you information and resources you can use for your campaign. So, excuse me. So right here we have an affiliate link. We'll get to that in a second. Then we have some updates. Facebook promotion update. We have email creatives. So if you're thinking about email marketing, then check out these affiliate pages, and sometimes there are email creatives. You might want to use them just to get some inspiration, or you might just want to copy and paste them and use them as is. So a lot of different emails. Then we have a couple of banners, some pictures, some headlines. Maybe you can get some inspiration off of them. Maybe you can use them. Whatever you want to do with them, you can do whatever you want. And then we have another email, some more banners. So a lot of information that you can use, a lot of material that you can use for your campaigns, right? Cool. So they don't have any information about the audience, but sometimes on these affiliate pages, they will say things like, okay, we sell our product for 75% to women. Or we sell our product primarily to people between 40 and 60, whatever it is. But those kind of stats are often listed on your affiliate page as well. And by knowing those stats, you are more likely to target the right audience. Especially if you're going to promote on Facebook ads, you want to know, what is my target? Who do I want to show my ad? And who is most likely to convert? Because I don't want to spend money on showing ads to people who are probably not going to buy. No, I want to spend my money on showing my ads to people who are most likely to convert, who are most likely to buy. So if the stats of the affiliate page of the offer says, okay, we sell best to people between 40 and 60, and we sell best to women over men, then I am going to target women from 40 to 60, right? So make sure to get all the information you can get from the affiliate page, from the offer page, maybe to get some inspiration from your creatives, etc. Right? So let's take another look here. So now it's sorted by rank, but you can also say, I want to sort it by average per conversion, initial payout per conversion, or recurring payout rebill, or gravity. And then you basically sort your results to whatever you want it to sort on. So let's take a look at the affiliate link, right? We need a affiliate hop link. So when you are ready to promote your Clickbank campaign and to start making some money on Clickbank, you basically simply click on promote. You fill in your account nickname right here and you click on generate hop link. And there we go. We've got our very own affiliate link. And if we test this out, we will see our VSL. Isn't that awesome? Cool, cool. So that's how you set up your very own Clickbank campaign, and that's how you get started to make lots of money with Clickbank. And from there, when you have your link, it's all about creating your creatives, setting your tracker up, doing some spying to maybe get some inspiration for your creatives, determining your budget. And all those things you can do inside our new platform, the Deberoo suite. So right now, as I mentioned before, we have our beta coming up. So if you want to join our software for free, make sure to join the beta waiting list, which you'll find a link to down below this video. And our new platform, you can do anything. You will have a tracker, you will have a landing page builder, you will have a spy tool, you will have a cash flow estimator, lots of courses to improve your skills, support and coaching if you want it, events calendar, everything you need for your Clickbank campaign, you will find on one platform. So all you have to do is sign up with Clickbank, pick your offer, go to the Deberoo suite, and you can manage everything from one place. So make sure to sign up for the beta waiting list down below, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.